Good morning, ma'am.
Yes, beta. We had done Michelson and Stahl experiment yesterday. Okay, you remember? Let me admit the students. Those who were present yesterday know about it. We took two mediums of nitrogen. One was nitrogen 14, lighter nitrogen, and which was the other one?
N15.
Yes, heavy nitrogen. So the daughter DNA had light or heavy or intermediate?
Intermediate.
Very good. Then we also did this experiment on beans, where the radioactivity was passed on only to one part. So this was known as which theory? What was this theory? Conservative or semi-conservative replication?
Semi-conservative.
Semi-conservative. Good. So those who are present know about it. We are going to start from here now. We are going to start with DNA replication, one of the most important topics of the chapter. Before I start with DNA replication, first let me tell you some words. What do they mean? Then you will be able to understand. Okay. But let me start with them. Let me admit more children. Aryan Raj and Ayush Gupta. Aryan Raj, I had some problems in his PDF in English. Let me check out. Yes, Aryan Raj. Beta, your PDF
Yes,
your PDF of English is incomplete. Did you send me one PDF or two PDFs?
ma'am, one PDF.
But then it is incomplete. Did you not attempt all the parts, Peter?
Yes, ma'am.
Then it is okay. I thought ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए that you have sent two PDFs and you're not getting marks for the second PDF. That is why I was asking because it was incomplete, Peter. I was just wondering. Nishanki Patel, has she joined? No. For her also comprehension part has not reached me. I don't know she has attempted. Some of you have made three PDFs. I mean 3 mails have been sent. One is for writing section, one is for comprehension, one is for another subject. And this it's become
Ma'am,
very
I have
difficult.
sent it.
Hmm.
Ma'am, I have sent a comprehension part on your WhatsApp number.
Now tell me, why did you do this? One part has been sent on the phone and the other part has been sent by mail. Why was this done, my child? Any
Ma'am,
specific? Hmm.
ma'am,
Tell
the
me
file
why.
size is so big. Ma'am, file size was so big. That's why Gmail was not accepting.
What time did you send on my WhatsApp number? I'll have to check out now. What was the time? Any idea? Or did you send it late? If it is
Ma'am,
late
on
by...
time.
If it is late, then better that would not be checked only. I'll have to check out. Beta, don't do this now. I'll tell you why. You must have sent it on my phone on 16th. You had your English exam on 16th, na children? Yes, now? You don't remember? I remember.
Yes, ma'am.
You had your you had your English exam on 16th. So I'm checking the PDFs on laptop. I did not download your PDFs on the mobile phone. Now they will not open only. It has been 1 week now. The PDFs will not open on my phone. How will they open? Because we need to download them in 2-3 days, I think. I've tried it many times. If the PDF is old, it doesn't open. I hope you are also aware of this. I'll see. If it doesn't open, I'll send you a message. You send me again, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Let's start. There are some keywords. If any personal problem, please message on my number. I'll respond back. First word we all need to know is ORI, origin of replication. What does ORI site mean? Come on, children, you'll have to speak out. It's a difficult topic. Origin of replication. बेटा पहले तो ये समझो रेप्लिकेशन का मतलब क्या होता है. अपनी जैसे एक और कॉपी बनाना. That is replication. Okay? There is one copy. Another copy has to be made. This is called DNA replication. Now DNA is going to replicate. मतलब एक और कॉपी बनेगी DNA की. This process of replication will start at a point which is known as ORI point. ORI. What is it called? बोलो बेटा. ORI.
ORI.
ORI point.
A unit of replication with one origin is called a replicon. Now supposing there is one unit, पूरा का पूरा, and there is only one point जहाँ DNA replication start हो सकता है. So such kind of a unit is known as a replicon. मतलब कम से कम एक ORI site होना चाहिए, otherwise DNA replication नहीं होगा. DNA replication will only start अगर क्या होना चाहिए? We should have one site. What is the site called as?
ORI site.
ORI site. Origin of replication. Now supposing this is one unit and हम मान लें इसमें एक भी ORI site नहीं है, then will replication take place here?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
And if I have one unit which has an ORI site, then of course replication will take place. And then this unit can be called as a replicon because वो replication कर सकता है. So we are going to call it as a replicon. Children, tell me, supposing there is no ORI site in this, assume it that there is no ORI site. So can I call this as replicon?
No, ma'am.
Very good. We cannot call it as a replicon.
No, ma'am.
ये बेटा ORI site है. Can I call this as a replicon?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, three main things first we'll discuss and then we'll talk about the process of replication. Replication में क्या होता है बेटा? You know we have how many strands in DNA? 1 or 2?
2 strands.
2 strands. तो सबसे पहले these 2 strands will unwind. देखो बेटा, ऐसे एक दूसरे से coiled होते हैं ना, ऐसे उलझे हुए. This is known as winding. What is this called? Winding. So सबसे स्टार्ट होगा. मतलब ये एक दूसरे से जो एक दूसरे के ऊपर coiled थे वो खुल जाएंगे. There are bonds between them which hold them. ये जो coils हैं बेटा, इनको कौन से bonds hold करके रखते हैं? Hydrogen bonds. Which bonds?
Hydrogen bonds.
What happens is there is an enzyme, helicase. What is the name of the enzyme?
Helicase.
So helicase will come and it will start breaking the bonds. Which bonds were present between both the strands?
Hydrogen bonds.
Hydrogen bonds. Okay. So this enzyme will start breaking the bonds. जब bonds break हो जाएंगे तो ऐसे हो जाएंगे आपके strands बेटा. देखो यहाँ पे they are coiled, एक दूसरे के ऊपर coiled है. ये uncoil हो गए. This is uncoiling. So uncoiling takes place because of which enzyme?
Helicase.
Helicase. Helicase breaks which bonds?
Hydrogen bonds.
Good. So can I have the slide again? DNA replication starts at a point. That point is known as?
ORI.
Alright, children, please speak out. Okay. Then those units which have an ORI site, what are they called?
Replicon.
Yes, only Sony is present in the class now. Nobody else is answering. Now, when replication takes place, the hydrogen bonds are broken by an enzyme. Name the enzyme.
Helicase.
Helicase.
Yes, children, speak out. If you speak out, learn हो जाएगा. This is a difficult topic and it's an important topic. अच्छा चलो. First, unwinding in taking place. अभी दोनों strands अलग नहीं हुए हैं, सिर्फ unwinding हुआ है. बेटा, all of you tell me, unwinding and winding का मतलब समझ में आ गया है? ये होता है winding. एक के ऊपर दूसरा उलझा हुआ है ऐसे. This is winding. And ये winded क्यों है? Because of these bonds. Which bonds hold them together?
Hydrogen bonds.
Hydrogen bond.
Hydrogen bonds. Good, Drishti, you also started speaking. Please speak out, bache. Now these hydrogen bonds are broken by the help of an enzyme. What is the name of the enzyme, children?
Helicase.
Helicase.
Yes,
Yes.
good. Good. Ayush, Soham, speak out. Aryan, name the
Yes, ma'am.
enzyme. Name the enzyme.
Helicase.
Helicase. What will helicase do? कौन से bonds को break करेगा बेटा?
Hydrogen bonds.
Hydrogen bond.
तो आपका ये तो वाइंडेड है या अनवाइंडेड है जब हाइड्रोजन बॉन्ड्स ब्रेक नहीं हुए हैं? दिस कंडीशन इज कॉल्ड वाइंडिंग और अनवाइंडिंग.
Binded.
वाइंडेड. अब जब हाइड्रोजन बॉन्ड्स ब्रेक हो गए, देन व्हाट आर वी गोइंग टू कॉल दिस कंडीशन एज?
Unbinded.
Unwinding.
आई एम गोइंग सो स्लो. अगेन आई एम टेकिंग अप दिस स्लाइड. प्लीज आंसर माय क्वेश्चंस, क्योंकि आगे प्रोसेस तभी समझ में आएगा. Let me assume that this is a unit of DNA which does not have an ORI site. आप बताइए यहाँ replication होगा?
No, ma'am.
No.
No, ma'am.
Very good, children. Replication only takes place when which site is present?
ORI site.
ORI site.
Alright.
So if a unit has an ORI site, it is called as?
Replicon.
What is it called?
Replicon.
Replicon. Boys also please speak
Replicon.
out. Yes, dear. If in this unit there is no ORI site, can I call this as replicon? बताइए. There is no ORI site. Can I call this as a replicon?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Very good, bachas. Boys also speak out. And इसमें ORI site है. So should I call it as a replicon?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
DNA replication, will it take place in this site, this unit? ऊपर वाला?
No, ma'am.
No. Why? Why it will not take place?
ORI site is not present.
Because it does
It's a start stage.
Why I'm going so slow? I hope you know the pattern of your first term exam set by CBSE.
Yes, ma'am.
What is the pattern of your
Yes,
exam?
ma'am.
Ma'am, it would be in 2 terms.
Yes. And what
One
else?
would be of MCQs.
Yes, beta. Your entire syllabus will be assessed in November as MCQs. Have you read this notice?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
That
Yes,
is the
ma'am.
reason I'm going so slow, focusing on every sentence. Once I finish my syllabus, I'll be taking up revisions of MCQs with you children. I cannot take a chance, reason being the same. In case again the third wave comes and we do not have board exams, and again CBSE tells us that mark the students on the basis of the first term. So your first term has to be very, very good. Very good. I want you to give me a test every Saturday of MCQs of the chapters that we have done. This test will not be included in any of your assessments. Let me tell you this also. Don't worry. I will not forward these test marks to the school authorities that yes, these marks can be considered for boards. Nowhere will I forward it. It is just a practice. So that the PDF which is sent to you, you get to know at least 500, 400, 300 MCQs from every chapter are available for you and you revise them. Now you tell me, should I send the PDF first to you people, you prepare and then give a test? Or would you like to read the chapter and then give a test from the PDF? Every Saturday, I want to make this a routine now. I'm waiting for you. You people decide.
Read the chapter
Read the chapter first.
and then give a test.
Yes, ma'am. We'll read the chapter then.
That is better. Because beta, if you're just learning the answers from the PDF, that doesn't make any sense. You're getting my point? You can certainly check out, when I check with your answers, you can check out with me that how many MCQs went wrong. And you can prepare those MCQs. So at least make it a routine. Every Saturday, you give me a test. Okay? How many of you are ready for this? Every time I plan and then you people disappear. So my plans also disappear. First of all, let us see how many chapters are done. Let me start from the last one. Environmental issues is done. Keep saying yes, yes.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Biodiversity and conservation.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Organisms and population.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Technology and applications.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Biotechnology processes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Principles of inheritance and variation.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
And we are doing now molecular basis of inheritance. I think evolution is also done. No,
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
evolution is done.
we have done
Yes,
evolution.
ma'am.
Now let me count the chapters. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Once I complete this chapter, we'll be done with 8 chapters. How many total chapters are there in your syllabus? 16 chapters are there.
16.
Okay, beta? 16 chapters are, and this is the 8th chapter we are doing. And after this, only one important unit is left, that is reproduction. The rest, the chapters are very easy, like human health, microbes, food production. These chapters are very general chapters. After this unit, only one important unit is left, that is reproduction. Maximum weightage wala, only one unit is left, beta. So tell me, out of these chapters, which chapter would you first take for MCQs? Should I start with the last?
Biotechnology.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Everybody.
biotechnology.
But biotechnology, only chapter 11. Only principles and processes, because it's a big unit and its weightage is also pretty good. So I cannot take both the chapters together. Biotechnology, both
Yes,
the
ma'am.
chapters. Beta. You know the weightage?
Ma'am, only
You know
one chapter.
biotechnology ka weightage, you know how many marks it is? It is 10 marks. This unit biotechnology is of how many marks? 10 marks.
10.
So it is a very important one. So if you prepare this unit properly, then out of 70, your 10 marks of MCQs are totally ready. So we are done now. We'll be having a test of biotechnology principles and processes for chapter number 11 next Saturday MCQs. Those who are interested in getting good grades can join me, because these marks, again I'm saying, don't say, ma'am, I was not prepared, so I did not come. Please don't do this. Even if you're not prepared, come, because these marks will not be counted anywhere. It is just for your benefit that I'm planning to do it. Okay? Fine? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Good children. So, everybody is okay with this slide? अब यहाँ से देखते हैं बेटा. Unwinding has started taking place. I've already told you. Unwinding takes place because of breaking of which bonds?
Hydrogen.
Hydrogen bond.
And which enzyme was responsible for this?
Helicase.
Helicase.
So when unwinding takes place, we get a Y-shaped structure. Kuch Y-shaped structure. And that Y-shaped structure is called replication fork. What is it called?
Replication fork.
Replication fork.
Yes, ये देखो बेटा, replication fork. Something like Y. एक आर्म ये है, and फिर पीछे ऐसे. So there are 4 things in this slide. Replication starts at a point which is called
Oran.
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 unit of replication which has one ORI site is called
Replicon.
Replicon.
Beta,
Replicon.
please, lot of MCQs from this chapter. The unwinding of DNA strands takes place because of breaking of which bonds?
Hydrogen
Hydrogen
bonds.
bond.
Hydrogen.
In the enzyme responsible for breaking hydrogen bonds?
Helicase.
Helicase.
After unwinding of the DNA molecule, it forms a dash-shaped structure called replication fork. What shaped structure?
Y-shaped.
Y shape.
Structure. So actually preparing you for MCQs like this. So let's continue now. The separated strands, see this is a Y-shaped structure. Now you can see clearly. Replication fork. Is it looking like a Y-shaped structure? These are the two arms and this is the back thing we have. Now these two strands have got separated now, completely separated by breaking hydrogen bonds, and they will be working as templates separately. One template is this, one template is this. When I use the word template, I mean the parent strand. Can you see this red one over here? Red, red. This is your template. What does the word template mean over here? This red one is your template. What does the template mean?
Parental strand.
It is the parental strand.
Parental strand.
This DNA had broken this one. One strand is this, one strand is this. Each strand is called as a parental strand. Always remember, the DNA replicates in this direction, 5' to 3'. DNA replication will always start from which direction? Tell me.
5' to 3'.
5' to 3'.
And we need energy for this process. So energy is needed. Energy comes from deoxyribonucleoside triphosphates. Deoxyribonucleoside triphosphates, there are many. They act as a substrate and they give energy. You just remember this name. What substance gives energy? Deoxyribonucleoside triphosphates. Tell me, which one is giving energy?
Deoxyribonucleoside
Deoxyribonucleoside
triphosphate.
triphosphate.
Okay, let me explain this process to you. What happens is, how is the process going to start? Listen. Firstly, a small RNA primer is synthesized in the presence of an enzyme primase. सबसे पहले one RNA primer will be formed. Primer मतलब जो सबसे पहले बनेगा. So first of all, एक RNA का छोटा सा piece बनेगा. That is known as the RNA primer. What is it called?
RNA primer.
And which
RNA
enzyme?
primer.
आराम से करो. If you want time, I'll take up this again. This primer is formed because of the help of an enzyme. What is the name?
Primase.
Primase.
Excuse
Now,
me, ma'am.
yes, dear.
Ma'am, your screen is paused. I don't know. It's paused.
Others, can you see the screen?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Anshika, check out on your set only, laptop or wherever you're sitting, because others can see the screen, even I can do it better. You check out for yourself once. Others, you can see the
Yes,
screen?
ma'am, it came now.
Okay, fine. Maybe
Maybe
some.
some network issue.
Anji bache. So we were talking about a small piece of RNA which is called as RNA primer. कौन सा enzyme बनाएगा बेटा RNA primer?
Primase.
Primase.
Children, please speak out because इसमें बहुत सारे short questions बनेंगे. Now we have the role of another enzyme. Its name is DNA polymerase. What is the name?
DNA
DNA
polymerase.
DNA polymerase.
आप इसको ऐसे समझो that RNA primer is the monitor. सबसे आगे लाइन में ये खड़े हो जाएंगे RNA primer. Other students when they will see they or you take it as a class teacher. Assembly में wherever the class teacher stands, सब बच्चे वहीं जाके लाइन बना लेते हैं. So सबसे पहले किसे खड़ा होना पड़ेगा? Class teacher ना? So RNA primer is a class teacher. As soon as RNA primer comes and joins, other nucleotides will also join one to the another and form a long chain, like students make a long line in assembly. Let me explain this to you. देखो बेटा. This was your parental DNA strands. दोनों separate हो चुके. They are separated because there were bonds between them which have already been broken. Which bonds were there?
Hydrogen bonds.
Hydrogen bonds. Which enzyme has broken?
Helicase.
Helicase. After this, very good. And this Y-shaped structure is there. बेटा ये याद रखिए ये पूरी तरह separate नहीं हुए हैं over here. We have a Y-shaped structure. यहाँ पे जुड़ा हुआ है. सबसे पहले this is going to take place. The class teacher is going to come here. Can you see this pink thing over here? Primase. What is the name of this enzyme?
Primase.
Primase.
Primase will make a small piece of RNA which is called primer. Can you see this red primer over here?
Yes.
So first of all, parental DNA में कौन attach होएगा? A small piece of RNA. What is that called as?
Primer.
Primer. As soon as the primer is attached, there is an enzyme DNA polymerase. This becomes active now. What does it do? Look here. Look here, beta. Can you see these free nucleotides? There are so many nucleotides over here. They will start joining and making a line. But this process will start only once. सबसे पहले what will be added, children? Can you see this enzyme DNA polymerase over here? Can you see the enzyme DNA polymerase? Okay. Here also we have a DNA polymerase. Here also we have a DNA polymerase. But remember, DNA polymerase will become active. पहले आपका क्या लगा था यहाँ पे? RNA का छोटा सा piece. What are the piece called as?
Primer.
Primer. Now we have a DNA polymerase enzyme. Can you see these orange ones? These are DNA polymerase enzymes. Here also, if you can see these orange, these are DNA polymerase enzymes. So this DNA polymerase enzyme will now make a line. इसके पीछे एक line लग जाएगी पीछे nucleotides. Who is going to make a line after this? Follow this. What are these? Nucleotides. देखो बेटा यहाँ पे भी. Can you see a primer over here? Can you see this red structure? This red structure is your primer. What is it called? Primer. Okay. Answer my questions in this slide. Let me explain the entire process to you. Then if you have doubts, you ask me. सबसे पहले, after a Y-shaped structure is made, okay? What is the Y-shaped structure called? Let me start from there. It looks like a fork.
Replication.
Very good. After a replication fork is made, the first thing which attaches to the parental DNA is a small strand of RNA called
RNA primer.
RNA primer.
very good. RNA is by an enzyme which is name the enzyme which synthesizes RNA primer.
Primase.
Very good.
Primase.
Now, as soon as the primer is there, one attaches itself. The name of the enzyme is, tell me these orange ones.
DNA polymerase.
DNA polymerase.
DNA polymerase, I told you, is like a class teacher or a monitor. जहाँ भी DNA polymerase आएगा, उसके पीछे line लग जाएगी. Many, what will come and make a line attach themselves? See quickly.
Nucleotides.
Very good. The nucleotides.
Nucleotide.
Okay. Now you quickly name this. What is this Y-shaped structure called?
Replication fork.
Yes. Only one child is answering what happened. Others did not understand. If you have not understood, tell me, I'll take up again. This is the most important topic of the chapter. Okay. Replication fork में सबसे पहले we have this small piece of RNA which attaches itself. What is this called?
RNA primer.
RNA primer.
This RNA primer is made with the help of an enzyme which is called
Primase.
Primase.
Then we have another enzyme which attaches itself. What is the name of this enzyme?
DNA
DNA
polymerase.
polymerase.
DNA polymerase.
Good. So once we have DNA polymerase, we get a long strand. Many nucleotides join. This white. What are these? These are all nucleotides. Is it okay? Chalo, let's understand this. Now, if you can see this blue one is your parental DNA, beta. Can you see this dark blue? This is parental DNA. What are these red structures, children?
Primer.
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 What is this pink one? Which enzyme is this?
Primase enzyme.
Primase.
Enzyme. So this primase must have caused the formation of these red strands. What were these red strands? Small pieces of RNA?
Primer.
So बेटा ये parental strand है. Parental strand में क्या चीज आ चुकी? देखो, we already have DNA polymerase attached. We have primers attached this side, and we have nucleotides attached. तीन चीजें हो गई. अब आगे देखते हैं. Replication process has started. one strand is formed as a continuous strand in the 5', 3' direction. Okay, ये वाला देखो. This is 5' to 3'. This is a continuous strand because यहाँ पे synthesis continuously होता रहता है. The formation of nucleotides, the addition of nucleotide does not stop. Okay, this strand is which direction? 5' to
3'.
3'. तो ये जो strand है ये आगे लंबा जाएगा, थोड़ा बड़ा हो जाएगा. That is why this strand is known as leading strand. Because यहाँ पे replication कभी भी रुकता नहीं है, continuously होता रहता है. So this strand is known as, quickly tell me what is the strand called as?
Leading strand.
If you see over here, ध्यान से देखो, this is one strand. फिर ये primers के बीच में एक छोटा सा एक और piece बन गया. फिर red, ये number primer, can you see number 3? Let's count the strands over here. If you see, this is one strand. फिर यहाँ पे एक strand का piece बना. फिर यहाँ आ गया. We have another primer over here. यहाँ पे फिर टूट गया. क्योंकि जहाँ जहाँ primer आएगा बेटा वहाँ से एक नई chain बनेगी. So if you see, there are 4 primers on this strand. If I'm counting right, there are 4 primers. So you will have one piece, this one. Second piece will be this. Then you'll have another piece. You'll have another piece. So you think the replication continuous हो रहा है or is it discontinuous?
Discontinuous.
It is discontinuous. And हमने शुरू में पढ़ा था that replication always takes place in 5' to 3' direction. तो हम यहाँ से तो काउंट करेंगे ही नहीं. कहाँ से काउंट करेंगे बेटा? यहाँ से काउंट करेंगे. Always from which direction? If you go back, you remember I told you always which direction DNA replication takes place?
5' to 3'.
So let's count. This is one piece. This is the second one. Number 3, number 4. So there are so many small pieces which are formed, fragments. Pieces are called what? Fragments. These fragments are known as Okazaki fragments. What are they called?
Okazaki fragment.
fragments.
About replication, does the replication take place in the same manner in both the arms or it is different?
Different.
It is different, beta. One strand, the replication is continuous process. It is known as continuous synthesis. And जिस part में continuous synthesis होता है, उस strand को क्या बोलते हैं? Leading strand. What is it?
Leading strand.
And ये जो नीचे वाला strand है ना, जहाँ पे fragments है, इसको बोलते हैं lagging strand. ये पीछे रह गया थोड़ा सा, because इसका process discontinuous है. So this strand will be known as which strand? Lagging strand. What is the strand called?
Lagging
आपका ये Y-shaped
strand.
This was a Y-shaped structure looking like a fork. So this was called as
Replication fork.
Replication fork.
This is your parental DNA. We had a primase enzyme. Primase enzyme say we had this small piece of RNA which was attached. What was the name of this? Small piece of RNA.
RNA primer.
Yes, this is a primer. ये सबसे पहले लगता है, so we call it as a primer. बेटा ऊपर वाला जो strand दिख रहा है आपको, this is the replication is continuous or it is discontinuous?
Continuous.
Continuous.
So this is called continuous synthesis and this strand is known as which strand? ये तो आगे निकल जाएगा ना, क्योंकि इसका process तो रुक ही नहीं रहा है कहीं भी, continuously हो रहा है. So this strand will be known as
Leading.
Leading strand.
जो नीचे वाला strand है, यहाँ पे fragments बन रहे हैं, छोटे छोटे pieces, because the process is not continuous. एक बना, फिर process रुक गया, फिर बना. So this is discontinuous synthesis. And these small pieces are called
Okazaki fragment.
Okazaki fragment.
Soham, Aryan, what are these fragments called? Ayush, Aryan, Soham, what are these fragments called? Small pieces over here. What are these fragments called? Okazaki fragments. So this is discontinuous synthesis. This strand is called, the one with the continuous replication is called which strand?
Leading strand.
And this
Leading
strand Very good, बच्चे. And this strand which we don't have continuous, then this strand is known as
lagging strand.
Lagging.
yes. ये continuous था तो ये आगे निकल जाएगा, ये थोड़ा बड़ा हो जा रहा है. This is leading strand, and ये पीछे रह गया because the process is not continuous. That is why what name is given to this strand? Lagging strand. What do we call it
Lagging
as?
strand.
Okay.
Lagging strand.
Before I go on further, बेटा अब हमारे दोनों स्टैंड दोबारा से ज्वाइन होना स्टार्ट करें. Before I start the joining part again with you, let me take up first breaking wala part once again with you, because now we are going to start with the second part of the application, in which the strands are again going to join together very quickly. DNA replication starts at a point which is known as
ORI side.
ORI.
a unit which has one ORI site is called
Replicon.
Replicon.
Which bonds are broken when the DNA
Hydrogen
is
bond.
Hydrogen.
Hydrogen bond.
Name the enzyme responsible for breaking the hydrogen bonds.
Helicase.
I'm just preparing for MCQ. The Y-shaped structure which you get after the opening of bonds is called as
Replication.
replication fork. Each separated strand acts as a
Template.
what is it? Template. DNA replication always takes place in which direction?
5' to 3'.
5' to 3'.
To 3'. Okay. The first of all, RNA primer is synthesized. Name the enzyme which is responsible for synthesis of the primer.
Primase.
Good. Then there is another enzyme which attaches itself. What is the name of this enzyme?
DNA polymerase.
Polymerase.
Because of this enzyme, what join to one to another? What are these?
Nucleotides.
And the replication continues. It is known as
Leading strand.
and in the other strand, the process is discontinuous, so we get of DNA. It's not a complete part. What are these fragments called as?
Okazaki fragments.
Okazaki fragments.
And this, where we have continuous synthesis, this strand is known as?
Leading strand.
Good. And the one where we have a discontinuous process of synthesis, what is it called?
Lagging strand.
Lagging strand.
So today we are done with this. We have just studied how these bonds are broken, how the DNA two strands separate. We'll continue on Monday and we'll see how they'll be joined back with. Again, they're going to join now. Till now, how many enzymes have come into role? If I talk about the enzymes, the first enzyme we talked about was primase. Okay? How many enzymes?
Helicase.
Yes, we have done so many enzymes. First was helicase. Very good. Function of helicase?
It breaks the hydrogen bond.
Yeah.
Function of primase?
To unwind the DNA strand.
And then we have the third enzyme, DNA polymerase, which makes nucleotides attached. So how many enzymes we have already studied in the first part of DNA replication? This is just the breaking part. Combining abhi nahi hua hai. How many enzymes total?
3.
Okay, let us name them. First was helicase, then
Primase and DNA polymerase.
very good. Helicase, primase, and DNA polymerase. These are the three enzymes over here. Which enzyme breaks the hydrogen bonds?
Helicase.
Which one leads to the formation of a primer?
Primase.
Primase.